Hey guys, it's Canadian Pyro. So this is going to be my setup for New Year's Eve. As usual, it's very messy, and I will walk you through how the show is supposed to fire. And hopefully it does fire that way, but you never know. So I got a nice big fuse to start it off. We're going to go into a 911, which starts with a fountain. And then on the first shell here, I used my new pyro tool to punch a hole in that tube there so that when the first shot fires there, it'll start breaking point shortly after. And my goal here, breaking point, is I think it's supposed to fire all 30 shots in about 10 seconds, and it's really low level. So I'm hoping this is going to fan back and forth while we got these big shots going up from the 911. And then on the last row of breaking point, I've got it fused again with the pyro tool, punched into this shell here, and it comes over to Golden Willow. And shortly after Golden Willow hits, we'll get Mines. So Mines is a nice low level Mines, that's just like it says, and then we'll have the Golden Willow going off above it. And then after those two, fuse comes up and around, hits Great White North, and then cycles over to the 50 shot Saturn missile battery. I think the missile batteries can all fire at once. There's a lot of loose powder in the bottom of that, but that should be pretty good. And then it cycles over to, this is Clash of the Titans, one of those little retro cakes, Mines and a Salute Shot. And then it hits this, which this will start the short circuit, which has those, what are they, like Hummeroos or something? They spin around, sound pretty cool. And when it starts that, it'll hit, this is a little whistling cake, 16 shots of whistles, and then 2 BEM singles. And when that's going on, this is going to burn over. It's going to hit Fragmented, which is a bunch of cross sets, one of my favorite cakes. And then after that, it'll hit the Mighty, another one of my favorite cakes, fans back and forth. And so this will be right before the finale. And then it's going to cycle over here and hit Planet Smackdown. So we just tested this a little bit ago. They fire for about a minute, and the tempo keeps getting faster and faster. So my goal with that is when that goes here, this fuse is going to go down to Prismatic, which is about a 30-second low-level stars. And then this will also cycle up to here, so about another 30 seconds, and then we'll have more stars going off. So hopefully there'll be neon stars going the whole time this cake is firing, or roughly around the same time. And then this fuse from the Prismatic keeps cycling up, and we hit Mini Menace, which we know those are great big shells. The Grape Soda, also nice big shells. And then it'll hit the Powder Keg, which this is also a very nice cake. So I'm hoping to have a lot of shells going up there for the finale at one time. And yeah, I think it should be good. I'm a little concerned about some of this, and the timing will probably have stuff going off after Planet Smackdown's done, but I'm hoping it looks good and it all fires in one go. But yeah, let's go test this thing out. Got my brother to light it. I'm still a little sick, so didn't want to be running back up here and be gassed for you. No, it's going. definitely a little fail there, but that's okay. This is the powder keg. Only 3 shots went off and then the fuse burnt out. So pulled out 1 fuse and we're gonna send off a couple more shots from it. I forgot my torch, so we're kind of out here in the cold with the pour lighter. We'll get it eventually. You'll see it.
And they still strike.
They strike beautifully. Thanks for watching, guys.